Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel KCC English Education. My name is GL Kabiraj, and today our those who are the beginners, those who want to speak English fluently, they want to uh, learn grammar, they want to know grammar. This video is specially for them. And you see we are going to start with the functional grammar. Functional grammar, basic grammar, functional grammar, both the grammar you need to know the both. Basic grammar is based on your all the parts of speech and their uses. Functional grammar is based on your all the tenses. Now today's video is based on tenses, that is present tense at first. See what is present tense? We have four present tenses. Okay, present tenses are of four, past tenses four, future tenses four. Overall 12 tenses are there. So now today we will discuss present tense, that is simple present tense. See, another name is present indefinite. We call it present indefinite also. And this is very important tense. So many rules and regulations are there. Okay, in this tense. And we need to observe. In British English, this thing happens. Okay, without using the rules, if you speak English, if mistakes are there, that means that will not be treated as good English. Okay, you will be rejected. If you want to face an interview, so interviewer may ask any questions. If present tenses are there, then subject matters. So many rules and regulations are there. It is not like any other language. If we speak wrong, okay, then it is accepted. But in English, it is not there. So that's why carefully you observe what is simple present tense or present indefinite. Another name is present indefinite tense. Now see the definition. The definition of this tense is it refers to the action. You can note it down. You can write it down also. It refers to the action. उसी action को दिखाता है which is completed in an indefinite present time. Which is completed, जो कि होता है, ये passive voice है, which is completed in an indefinite present time. अनिर्दिष्ट भविष्य प्रेजेंट में जो काम होता है, ओके, ता है indefinite. And in Hindi the identity is ता ती ते with the verb. क्रिया के साथ ता ती ते लगता है. जैसे क्रिया क्या है? Action is there. लिखना, पढ़ना, उठना, खाना, पीना, सोना, whatever the work we do, these are called action words. Okay. In Hindi, we use na, that is the identity. It's easy to understand. मैं सुबह उठता हूँ, मैं 6 बजे उठता हूँ, thereafter मैं वॉक के लिए जाता हूँ, फिर आता हूँ, जो भी करते हो, all these are your तातीते. And this, in this tense, it is useful. Present, simple present tense. Okay. And observe, this is the definition. कोई भी काम अनिर्दिष्ट वर्तमान में जो काम होता है उसी को ही सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस और प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस कहते हैं. Got it? Now the important things are there. Rules are different. For positive sentence, rules are different. Okay, for subjects are different for positive sentence. Subjects are different for negative positive sentences also. Somewhere we use ACS, somewhere we don't use ACS. So many things are there. So confusion will not be created. That's why separately here it is written, separate way में, ताकि हमें आसानी से समझ में आ जाए कि ये कहाँ पे ACS लगता है क्रिया के साथ और कहाँ पे नहीं लगता है. Okay, now let us see the rules. First rule is your subject plus MB1. MB1 means main verb first form, base form, जिसे हम base form कहते हैं. Second form means past form. Third form means past participle form. But here no second form, no third form, only base form. That is MB1. के साथ ACS, that is in bracket, because we have to observe the subject. Subject अगर he, she, it, third person singular number हो तब जाके हम ACS लगाएंगे, नहीं तो नहीं लगेगा. Okay, that is most important. Here you see the rules. Subject plus MB1 plus ACS in bracket plus object. Object is also not mandatory. Object compulsory नहीं है, हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. That is your positive sentence. Now let us see. Example subject you see. Who are the subjects? Subject मतलब क्या है? जिसके बारे में बोला जाता है. जैसे I taught you in video, subject, predicate, subject, verb, object. Okay, the subject means regarding whom or regarding what you are describing, you are telling. जिसके बारे में आप बोल रहे हो, what that is subject. दैट्स वाई सब्जेक्ट कम्स मोस्टली इनिशियली, एकदम स्टार्टिंग में ही सब्जेक्ट मिल जाता है हमें, जैसे आई यू वी दे और प्लूरल नंबर, दिस सब्जेक्ट। इसका क्या होता है, फर्स्ट MB1, देखो ये MB1 है, प्ले, आई प्ले क्रिकेट। अगर वी हो तो वी के साथ भी प्ले हो जाएगा, यू प्ले, आई प्ले, दे प्ले, द चिल्ड्रेन ऑल्सो प्ले। बट क्वेश्चन कम्स yes, when yes will come, yes कब आएगा, when the subject is your he, she or any other person, single person। देखो he plays, he play cricket बोलोगे तो गलत, रॉन्ग, टोटली रॉन्ग, he play cricket, इसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया जाएगा, ओके, इट विल नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेड। he play cricket, he plays cricket, she plays, she sings a song, she sing a song बोलोगे नहीं चलेगा, she sings, okay, he writes a letter, she goes to school, go verb है, इसके साथ es लग गया, she goes, she go to school, wrong, not acceptable, ये acceptable नहीं है, okay, that's why this thing is very important। when we are using the subject he, she, it or any single name, then ses form of the verb will come in positive sentence, positive, remember, okay, what is positive, no, not is not there, interrogation of the kinds of sentences I taught you earlier also। पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस में क्या होता है, सेंटेंस के अंदर कोई नो नॉट नहीं है, क्वेश्चन भी नहीं है, नथिंग इज देयर, ओनली एन स्टेटमेंट, स्टेटमेंट के लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप लग गया। नाउ सी व्हाट इज द नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव इज योर सब्जेक्ट प्लस डोंट प्लस MB1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। आई डोंट प्ले, डोंट लिखोगे, आई नॉट प्ले, दैट इज रॉन्ग, यू नॉट प्ले, no, wrong, don't you have to use, you don't, okay, I play, I don't play, don't play is negative, we don't play football, we play cricket, we don't play football, we play cricket, they don't play, so don't is important here, in negative sentence without only not we cannot use, we have to use don't, do plus not, that is don't, okay, now in when subject is he, she, then what happens, at that time doesn't, he doesn't play, she doesn't sing a song, okay, Rohit doesn't go to school daily, doesn't go, go not goes, जैसे ही वो वहां से एस उठा के आप डू के साथ जोड़ रहे हो तो वो वर्ब फ्री हो रहा है, ओके, she doesn't go, she goes to school, she doesn't go to school, see the difference, तो ये important है, और at the moment, at the time you are speaking, you have to think it off कि मैं गलत तो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, ओके, टेंस को फॉलो करोगे, अगर गलती हो रहा है तो रिपीटेडली यू कैन हैव द प्रैक्टिस, ये प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ता है, सो इफ यू डू इट देन ग्रेजुअली स्लोली दैट it will be clear। now this is positive, this is negative, okay, then comes our interrogative, or what will be the interrogative sentences, the helping verbs do does will come first, okay, do does will come first। now let us see, follow here, how do we make interrogative sentences, what are the rules of interrogative sentences, whenever you want to put interrogative sentences, you want to ask a question, at that time you have to bring the helping verb first, okay, the helping verb is your do does, now here you have to use bring do, here you have to bring does। now see, do, that is helping verb, auxiliary plus subject, subject is the rule is helping verb do plus subject plus MB1, that is do, here it is do plus subject plus MB1 plus object, this is our rule, okay, if you write the sentences only, then also you can understand, okay, now do you play football, you want to ask anybody, you want to know whether the person plays or not, your friend, you are asking to your friend, do you play football, do you play cricket, now you are asking, okay, now regarding some other person, does your brother, does Rohit, does Neha, any other person, then you have to use does, do, you cannot use do, if you are asking does your sister, go to school daily? Does your brother play? Does your brother play? Plays not, play. See the technique. Okay, a little tricky, but you have to, if you go on practicing more and more, then you can. ओके, नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल, कोई इम्पॉसिबल बात नहीं है. शुरू में लगता है कि हाँ ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल है, ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं है. ओके, डज, व्हेनेवर यू आर यूजिंग डज फॉर ही शी इट थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर, देयर आफ्टर मेन वर्ब के साथ वो एस हट जाएगा. डज योर ब्रदर गो टू स्कूल डेली? क्या आपका ब्रदर रोज स्कूल जाता है? ओके, negative interrogative, there this is positive interrogative, this is positive interrogative. Then negative interrogative comes doesn't, don't you play cricket? Suppose you are telling I play football. Don't you play cricket? क्या आप क्रिकेट नहीं खेलते हो? क्या आप नहीं खेलते हो? Everywhere ताती ते. Remember, you cannot use any other sense. We cannot bring any other sense. इसमें केवल ताती ते का यूज होता है. Now, doesn't रोहित play football? क्या रोहित फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता है? So rules you have to follow here: doesn't plus subject plus help main verb then object. Okay, in sequence systematically. एक आगे पीछे हो जाएगा तो आपका सेंस नहीं बनेगा. That question will be wrong. Okay, so now follow carefully. Next, you want to know the time. Suppose WS family question. All these are interrogative sentence. See, interrogative. WS family question. You want to know the time. कब खेलते हो? कब ऑफिस जाते हो? When do you play? When do you get up? मैं जानना चाहता हूं आप किस टाइम उठते हो सुबह. तो when comes first, then helping verb comes do does. Because I am asking to you, तो when do you get up? So in sequence. Okay, disorderly you cannot put the question. नहीं बनेगा. When do you get up? You want to know the time. That is why when. Where do you go for a morning walk? Morning walk के लिए कहाँ जाते हो? Where, then do, then subject you, then comes go. In sequence all these are there. एक आगे पीछे करो बनेगा नहीं क्वेश्चन. Okay, that's why it is so essential to follow the rules. Now here also doesn't, don't, here it is doesn't. Doesn't रोहित play football? क्या रोहित फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता है? Okay, next, where does रोहित play cricket? Where, time, you want to know the place, then where. You want to know the time, then when. Okay, किसके साथ, with whom does he play? किसके साथ खेलता है? With whom, फिर does, फिर subject he, then play. In this way, in sequence, we have to arrange the sentence. Then question mark. Now WS family negative interrogative. देखो ये WS family negative interrogative. Why? WS फैमिली में नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव में केवल व्हाई से ही क्वेश्चन होता है. व्हाई मतलब क्यों, कब नहीं, कहा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. केवल क्यों नहीं से, क्यों नहीं होता, क्यों, तो क्यों. व्हाई डोंट यू प्ले फुटबॉल? सपोज आप बोलते हो कि मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूं, तो व्हाई डोंट यू प्ले फुटबॉल? फुटबॉल क्यों नहीं खेलते हो? ओके, व्हाई, सेम रूल्स. व्हाई WS फैमिली प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस मेन वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म. Why don't you play football? आप क्यों नहीं खेलते हो? Then question mark. Answers are easy, but questions, to framing the question is a little tricky, little difficult. Okay, so you have to follow the rules, then only it is possible. And there, why, here you see, why doesn't Rohit play football? You say Rohit plays cricket. Now you can ask, why doesn't Rohit play? Why doesn't your brother play cricket? Okay, why doesn't, any third person singular number, then doesn't. Got it? These are all interrogative sentences. Interrogative with helping verbs, negative, positive, negative, WS family positive, WS family negative. These are 4 questions are there. Okay, got it? Next comes one more sentence is there, that is called certain sentence. So I will explain what is certain sentence. Okay, see, follow. One more sentence is there. Here I explained 6 sentences. That is positive sentence, negative, then interrogative, negative interrogative, WS positive, WH negative. But in this tense, one more sentence is there. That is called certain. Okay, that certain sentence very often we don't use. Whenever it is necessary, at that time you can use this certain sentence. What is that? Our definition is it refers to the action which is completed in an indefinite present time. Indefinite. That is why tense name is indefinite. Uncertain, certainty is not there. But we can make it certain. हम इसको certain बना सकते हैं. How can we make it certain? You see here. You are telling to your friends. आप अपने दोस्त को बोल रहे हो, you know, always I tell the truth. You are telling to your friends कि always I tell the truth. मैं हमेशा सच बोलता हूं. मानेंगे आपके दोस्त? Commonly they will not accept it. अरे आप क्या? I don't think so. कोई आज के टाइम में सच नहीं बोलता. Now you are assuring कि मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूं, मैं जरूर सच बोलता हूं. आई डू टेल द ट्रूथ, यहां पे आपने डू लगा दिया. तो उनको यकीन दिलाने के लिए यानी एश्योर करने के लिए हेल्पिंग वर्ब का इस्तेमाल कर दिया पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस में, जो कि नहीं होता है. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज योर विदाउट हेल्पिंग वर्ब. यू नो, आई प्ले क्रिकेट, आई लर्न माई लेसन, आई गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. वेयर इज डू डज? नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या कर दिया? व्हेनेवर इट इज नेसेसरी, दैट्स व्हाई, नॉट ऑलवेज. किसी को यकीन दिलाना है, वो मन नहीं रहा है, तब जाके लगाओ यहाँ पे आई डू टेल द ट्रूथ ऑलवेज. ये बोल दिया आपने, देन इट इज सर्टेन माना जाएगा कि हाँ आई डू टेल द ट्रूथ. सो कॉमनली वी डोंट यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब, बट व्हेनेवर इट इज नेसेसरी इन सच ए सिचुएशन वी यूज आई डू टेल द ट्रूथ ऑलवेज. मैं हमेशा सच बोलता हूँ. ओके, नाउ दिस इज थिंग. ही शीट के साथ कैसे होगा? देखो, माई सिस्टर, यू आर टेलिंग कि माई सिस्टर स्पीक्स इंग्लिश वेरी वेल. मेरा बहन जो है ना बहुत अच्छा इंग्लिश बोलती है. और बट योर कॉलिग्स, योर फ्रेंड्स, दे डिडंट बिलीव. उन्होंने जैसे आपने बोला वो कोई बिलीव नहीं कर रहे हैं. अरे कब सीखा, कहाँ से सीखा है? मुझे नहीं लगता है ऐसे. तो मुंह बना रहे हैं कि नहीं नहीं हो ही नहीं सकता. नाउ यू आर टेलिंग कि शी डज स्पीक, यहाँ पे एस हट गया, शी डज स्पीक इंग्लिश वेरी वेल. शी डज स्पीक इंग्लिश वेरी वेल. तो यहाँ पे डज लग गया ही शीट के साथ, यहाँ से एस हट गया. कॉमनली शी स्पीक्स, यहाँ पे एस था, यहाँ से एस हट के यहीं पे लग गया. शी डज स्पीक इंग्लिश वेरी वेल. नाउ यू आर, आपने उनको यकीन दिलाया. ठीक है. तो व्हेनेवर इट इज नेसेसरी देन ओनली वी यूज. तो 7 sentences are there in simple present tense, in simple past and in simple future. Because rest of the sentences we have only 6 sentences. Okay, and all the questions are also there, answers are also there in that. So the rules are very very important here. That's why I am telling repeatedly, learn the rules if you want to speak accurately, write English, then only, or you want to write, okay, where mistakes will not be there. So rules you need to learn thoroughly, all the rules, and use them. You can have some more practice exercises also. You can watch the videos regularly. Okay, develop the habit to watch the videos. कि हाँ वीडियो वॉच करने से हमें फायदा है, बहुत फायदा है. Go on watching the videos. So large number of videos, so many videos are there. You can watch tense related video, your basic English. Okay, your all the parts of speech, their uses, prepositions, their uses, all these things are essential. Okay, now I think you got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.